Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create beat shake effect video editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, create a new project on Capcut and then you can import your photo or your video to the Capcut project. Here I have added some photos to this project and I'm going to create the beat shake effect video editing with all of those photos. Okay, and after that I'm going to add music to my video. We can go to the audio and then select sounds, and I'm just going to select music from Capcut. I'm going to select the beat category and I'm going to choose wait guys, I'm going to choose beat way up, this one. Click on the plus button and now the music has been added to my project, and I'm going to go to the beat option to add beat marker to my audio. I'm going to match the cut with the beat marker and I'm just going to select auto generate. Okay, and the beat mark will be added automatically to my audio. Okay, and actually you can customize the beat intensity. I'm just going to select this one and click on the check mark, and I'm going to adjust the transition to the audio beat like this. Wait guys. Okay, oops, sorry guys. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, and I'm going to add shake transition to this project. Tap on the transition and I'm going to type in shake transition. Okay, and there will be some transition we can use. I'm just going to select the shake 2 and I'm going to apply it to all the clips or the photo. Okay, and now it's done and this is the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create beat shake effect video editing using Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.